More often than not, RCMS is used by exception. When there is a problem and your customer wants it fixed, a fast resolution without the cost of a site visit is the most commercially desirable outcome. What follows are a few key features that help you to achieve estate management and fault resolution using RCMS. The first thing you will notice on individual router pages is the attractive Google map. This gives a coarse location of your router and associated assets using cell triangulation and works anywhere on the surface of the Earth where there's a GSM network. Because this is fully automated and requires no administration, it's a great way to keep track of your assets, especially in IoT applications where devices can be mobile. Alongside the map, you will see the general information overview for each router. At the bottom, there is a user editable text field that can be very useful when populated with project-specific parameters such as SIM card identity or the serial number of connected devices. This type of customization can transform RCMS into a complete project management tool. The rest of the overview page comprises useful graphs of data usage, signal strength, connection history, and connection latency. All of these parameters can be viewed retrospectively up to 3 months after the event. Of particular note in this section is the connection history graph that is very powerful in helping to diagnose cyclical disconnection events that can occur as a consequence of cellular network behaviour or regular power outages on site. The reports section of RCMS allows you to build a custom report from all of the recorded variables about each router. One of the standard reports, called Connection Log, is a very useful diagnostic tool to see the connection history of a problematic device. The history remains even after an outage occurs, meaning that a detailed understanding of the connection, including parameters such as cell ID, network type, radio frequency and IP address, can be analysed and shared with SIM providers to pinpoint root causes of connectivity problems easily. The firmware page, applications page, and configuration page allow you to update the software content of one or all of your routers over the air. This capability can save a lot of time in site visits in projects that have not gone entirely as expected, or in projects that need changes to system configuration en masse. Note that the applications page offers the ability to distribute Robustel standard applications as well as customer-specific applications that have been developed with the help of Robustel's router software development kit. There are many useful features in the remote actions section of RCMS. The ability to toggle the digital output of a router in the I/O control section can be used to reboot other equipment on site connected to the router, for example, a Windows-based embedded PC. It's even possible to control mains-powered devices if an appropriate relay or solid-state relay is used in the application. The capture tool, which allows a live capture of the data to and from a router in real time, is invaluable for analysing problems such as data overusage, routing issues, and client-server application software problems. When this data is viewed using the powerful Wireshark network analyzer, extremely detailed diagnostic information can be captured. The LoRa section of the Remote Actions page will provide detailed statistics about the physical layer parameters of all of Robustel's LoRa gateways. This gives insight into important information in a LoRa gateway, such as CRC errors and join requests. RCMS also features a comprehensive API interface that can allow useful parameters to be viewed in other software platforms, or for other applications to set router configuration parameters. This is particularly useful for users that already have their own customer-facing dashboard and would like to include connection-specific variables about their estate in the same environment. It's possible to configure RCMS to send alerts based on a wide range of different events. Alerts are configured on a group-wide basis. The delivery mechanism for alerts in RCMS is by email using custom-configured SMTP settings. A user can set up a dedicated mailbox to receive RCMS alerts for monitoring by one or several users. This is particularly useful for detecting routers going offline, as this state must be inferred as the absence of a heartbeat or other communication from a router for a period of time. SNMP traps, SMS messages, and other mechanisms can be used to provide information about events in your network. Robustel's tech support team can advise on the best options. There are many other powerful features in RCMS. This brief video was to highlight just some of the most useful.